beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. Please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of my future videos. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. Let's get into today's video. Today's video is a very overdue video, I must admit, but this is actually the budget box from, what month are we in now? Oh my god, what month are we in now? June. So I believe this is actually the May budget box from May Plouise. However, I still want to do this video because I want to show you what I got in mind. I feel like I'm very low down. I do apologise. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So this retails every single month for £30. It's not like an ongoing subscription box. You have to kind of fight to get it every single month. And this month was a really exciting one because it featured a brand new eyeshadow palette from her brand new collection. So this is the budget box for the month of May. So the first thing that we got is a scratch card that I did not win, unfortunately. And then so you get the little card inside for the budget box. So this box is actually designed for people who can't afford to buy kind of May Plouise and to kind of have a taste of the brand without having to spend like a ridiculous amount of money. So it has, sometimes we'll have like new stuff that hasn't like launched yet, but it also will have like the classic products as well. Because I know some people are like kicking off about it having like the classic products in there, but it's not always going to be like brand new releases. Like, are people silly? Like, people silly? I just don't understand the thought process that it would always be brand new releases. Which brand has 6, apart from Revolution, but which brand has like 6 releases every single month? Do you know what I mean? So anyways, for this one of the classic ones that we got is the blank canvas, which is, if you know May Plouise, or if you know my channel, it's what everybody and the mum and dad uses to do the cookeries, and this is just what it looks like. So this retails for like £14, I believe, and this is actually what my one looks like. Is this angle a little bit better? Who knows? Another thing that we got is also one of the kind of original kind of line of May Plouise. This is the Prime and Define, kind of like a metallic base. This one's the shade You're Glowing, which I don't actually have. The one that I do already have, which I actually can't find, here it is the shade Hooked Up, which you might remember me using. I feel like I'm really far away now, sorry. Is that better, or did you prefer it so I was further away? Please let me know down below because I can never decide these things. But if you remember my kind of makeup tutorial I did for my birthday last year, I actually used this one for the first time ever. It's more like a bronzy one. So I'm really excited to get this because I'm going to have to swatch it now for you and show you because this is actually blinding. So it just comes out like this. And then when you spread it, look at that. And that's from that tiny little blob as well. So we're definitely going to have to do a makeup look using this 100%, and then I'm going to be covered in glitter for days. So that's another thing that was in this month's one. We also got some brand new things as well. So we've got 3 brand new products. Actually, we have one more from like their kind of original line, and this is one of the basic cosmetic paints. I can't say it out. Cosmetic paints, and I thought I already had this one, but I don't. This one is in the shade Summer Blues, which just looks like this, and the colour that I already have is, oh my god, I just threw it, is the shade Touch of Frost, and you can definitely see the difference between the two there. So as you can see, Touch of Frost is more of like an icy kind of light blue, and this is more of a, it's like a baby royal blue, if that makes any sense at all. So yeah, that was also in this month's box. And then the next 3 products are all brand new ones that came out of her kind of money, what wasn't it? It's like a manifesting kind of range that she's done. I do have the big palette for me to do a video on very, very soon. If it's already up, I will leave it linked down below, but it probably won't be just yet. So the first thing which we all knew about was going to be in this month's palette, in this month's box is this palette. So this is the Stack 'em Up Money Tones palette. It's a pressed pigment palette, and it is beautiful. Like, there is 3 in this range. So there's this pink one, there's a purple one, and there's a blue one. Not gonna lie, the purple and blue one grabbed my attention so much more than this one. However, this is still beautiful. So I thought we got the normal size palette in this box, but it's not. This is a mini of the mini palette. So there's 3 mini palettes, this one, a purple one, and a blue one, which are all bigger than this one. This is a mini of the pink palette. Does that make any sense? I hope it does. So yeah, I think I'll definitely pick up the purple and the blue one, but I won't pick up obviously the other pink one because it's exactly the same, just a bit bigger. So yeah, that is a palette for us to try and do a video on as well. I've got a million one, like literally I'm surrounded by bookers at the moment of all these videos that I need to film. And we also have a pair of lashes. These are the Cut the Check lashes from P. Louise, and this is just what they look like. Really, really nice and fluffy. And then last but not least, everyone got a brand new base. So there's 3 different base colours that came out, right? There was a yellow one, a green one, and a pink one. The swatches of the pink one was like, I mean, it's called, what are you actually called? It's called Pigment Pink. And the swatches on the website and on the Instagram, I think like that, literally looked like a butthole pink. Like, it didn't look like a nice pink at all. Like, it was more like a mauvey. Yeah, it just wasn't nice. And I was like, I bet I get the pink one. And I did. I really wanted the yellow one. I know Alex got the yellow one, but even the green one was really nice. But I got butthole pink, which is what I was calling it. So this is a P. Louise paint in Pigment Pink. However, a little plot twist to it. It's actually a really, really nice pink. It's not a butthole pink at all. I don't know if you can see it there. Let me try and get my camera to focus on it. But it's not a butthole pink in the slightest. It's a really, really nice, kind of like maybe like a salmony pink. I don't know if that's the right word. It looks liquidy there just because I've like not kind of got it out of the tub properly. It's just like the excess oil coming to the surface. But it's actually a really, really nice pink. So I felt a bit bad for slagging it off. But yeah, that one is paid in pink. So you could have got one of 3. But I think for that month's box is really, really good. Obviously you're getting a blank canvas, another base, a metallic base, and then obviously the brand new base from the brand new collection, a mini palette, and then a pair of lashes, which is brand, like obviously both of them are brand new as well. And obviously you also got the scratch card. And the scratch card, you could have literally won like to be on the PR list. You could have won for money off, and all that kind of good stuff as well. But I didn't win any of that, and I didn't win anything with the big palette that I bought either. But yeah, that is everything that was in the May budget box. I'm really sorry this video is up late. But yeah, that is everything that I got. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to join my Patreon, I will leave it all linked down below in a video explaining everything as well. Thank you so much to my patrons for being absolutely lovely and so supportive, and I'll hopefully see you in another video very soon. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Peace out, motherfuckers.